We have identified 32 buildings which appears to be in a dilapidated conditions. Bailan dista ती सारक्यो मोडपाचे आसा पूण. Thereafter our inspection we have done, and till now we have issued notices to the parties under section 190. Some have come forward, and thereafter I have decided that 4 of the buildings are likely to collapse, and they have been directed to vacate the structures. But still I have found that some of the people are still staying in this buildings. So these four I have sent to the district magistrate under disaster management South Goa to take needful action in the matter. Thereafter 2 buildings we have identified near police station, like Pushpa Gosala building and Premavati building. We have directed them to either to demolish or take necessary action in the matter, or to give us a stability certificate from the registered structure engineer. And 5 buildings we have identified belongs to municipality. They are also in a dilapidated conditions, and we have asked the Goa Engineering College to conduct the site inspection and give the report accordingly. After the report, we will take necessary action in the matter for demolition of our buildings.
फाल्यां जर अशें जर जालें हे नगरपालिकेक किंवा आनीक खंयच्या ऑथॉरिटीक जबाबदार धरतले. अशें घडपाक जायना. लोकांनी आपले स्वताचें पावल उचलूंक जाय आनी हेचो तोडगो काडूंक जाय, आनी आम जनतेक त्रास जावंक जायना किंवा कोणाचो प्राणूय वचूंक जायना, कित्याक कोणाचें आयुश्य हे सगळ्यान मौल्यवान वस्तू आसा, तो सगळ्यांनी हेची खातरदारी धरूंक जाय.